Right now, I'm going to give you the exact words to use when you meet someone and your brain completely freezes. We're talking about small talk, and before this episode ends, you will have real sentences ready to use today.
Welcome to Practice English Daily. I'm Eric.
And I'm Jessica. Let's jump right in.
Jessica, I really need this lesson. This morning, I passed my neighbor on the stairs, and we both just looked down at our feet. Nobody said a word. It was so awkward.
Eric, that moment when you want to speak but nothing comes out, that is exactly why we're here today.
My brain just went silent.
So today, we're going to solve that. We'll cover 3 levels of small talk. Level 1 is for getting started. Level 2 is for keeping the conversation going. And level 3 is for when you feel ready to connect more deeply.
3 levels. That's a great structure. I like it.
Let's start with level 1, basic small talk. Short, simple, and easy to remember.
Okay, so what's the very first thing I should do?
You need a starter, just one sentence to open things up. And the most reliable starter in the world is a comment about the weather.
The weather? Just that?
Yes, the weather is always there. Everyone experiences it. So if it's a hot day, try saying, "It's really warm today, isn't it?" Easy, natural, done.
And what does the other person usually say back?
They'll probably agree and add something, like, "Yes, I hope it gets cooler soon." And just like that, a conversation has started.
What if the weather is perfectly normal and boring?
Then look around. Use what you see. At the supermarket, you can say, "It's packed in here today, isn't it?" If the line is long, try, "This is taking forever today." Simple observations work perfectly.
Oh, so I just describe what I can see.
Exactly. One small comment, one smile. That's all level 1 needs to be.
Let me try. Okay. Jessica, it's so quiet in here today, isn't it?
That was perfect. You just did level 1. The goal is not a big conversation, just a small human connection. One line and a smile. That's enough.
That actually feels doable. Okay, tell me about level 2.
Level 2 is for people you see regularly. A coworker, a gym buddy, a classmate. You already said hello last time. Now you want to talk a little more.
Right, we already talked about the weather. Now what?
Now you ask about their life. But here is the most important rule. Ask open questions, not closed questions.
Wait, what's a closed question?
A closed question only has one answer. For example, did you have a nice weekend? The answer is just yes or no. Then silence. Conversation over.
Like hitting a wall.
Exactly. An open question invites a real answer. Start with what, how, or why. So instead of, "Did you have a good weekend?" ask, "What did you get up to this weekend?" Now they have to share something.
I see. It opens a door instead of closing one.
Right. And when they answer, you listen closely and ask one more question about what they said. Watch. "Eric, how did your morning start today?"
Actually, pretty well. I found this amazing little bakery near my apartment.
"Oh, really? What did you try there?"
See, that was so natural. You heard what I said and you asked more about it.
That is the rhythm of level 2. Think of it like a friendly game of tennis. I send the ball to you, you send it back. Keep the game going.
A tennis match made of sentences. I love that.
Now, let me share a quick real-life story. A friend of mine, Maya, was at work one morning. Her coworker looked completely worn out. Normally, they just say, "Morning, how are you?" And both say, "Fine, thanks." But that day, Maya paused and said, "Hey, you look really tired. Is everything okay?"
Oh, that's different from usual small talk.
And that difference changed everything. Her coworker stopped, took a breath, and said, "I've got a huge report due, and I'm really overwhelmed." They only talked for 5 minutes, but her coworker walked away feeling so much lighter.
So small talk can turn into something that really matters.
It absolutely can. That's level 3, advanced small talk. This is when you share a small piece of your own thinking or feeling.
What kind of thing should I share?
Keep it light and fun. Avoid politics or anything controversial. For example, if you both saw the same film, say, "I enjoyed it, but honestly, I felt the ending was rushed. What did you think?" You share your view first, then invite theirs.
I give my thought and then open it up to them.
Yes, it builds trust. You can also share something you're trying, like, "I've been trying to bake bread at home, but it always comes out flat. Do you have any advice?" People love helping. It makes them feel good.
Oh, that's a clever way to start a real conversation.
It is. Level 3 is where you stop just talking about things outside you and start sharing a little about who you are.
Jessica, one question. What happens when someone uses a word I don't know? Do I just smile and pretend?
Please don't do that. I know it feels safer, but it actually hurts the conversation. If you hear an unfamiliar word, let's say commute, just ask calmly, "Sorry, what does commute mean?"
I used to nod and smile even when I had no idea what was said.
Most people are genuinely happy to explain, and asking shows you're really listening, not just waiting for your turn to talk.
That's so much better than nodding like a confused robot.
No robots in real conversation. Okay, one more topic, ending a conversation politely.
Yes, this is hard. I never know how to leave without feeling rude.
You just need a soft exit phrase, something gentle. Try this. "Well, it was really lovely talking to you. I should probably head off."
That sounds natural. What about the phrase catching up?
Catching up means talking about each other's recent news. So you can say, "It was so great catching up. Let's do it again soon." It feels warm and friendly.
And a little wish at the end, right?
Always. Have a great rest of your day or enjoy your evening. Small words, but they leave a warm feeling.
Let me try. Jessica, I need to run, but I'm really glad we had this chat. Hope the rest of your day is wonderful.
Eric, that was smooth, warm, and completely natural. Well done.
All right, listeners, quick practice. Repeat out loud. It's really busy here today, isn't it?
Good. Now this one. What did you get up to this weekend?
And one more. It was so nice talking to you. Have a wonderful day.
Great job. Now a quick recap before we go. Level 1. Notice something around you, make a short comment, add a smile.
Level 2. Ask open questions with what, how, or why. Listen, then ask one follow-up question.
Level 3. Share a light opinion and invite the other person to share theirs. And never be afraid to ask about a word you don't know.
Plus, always end with a warm, polite exit phrase.
Here's the truth. You don't need perfect English to have a great conversation. You just need the courage to start.
Small talk isn't about grammar. It's about being human with another person.
So today, go try just one starter, one sentence. That's your challenge.
You've got this. We're rooting for you.
Thanks for spending this time with us on Practice English Daily. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend who is also working on their English.
And drop a comment below. What's your favorite topic for small talk? Weather? Travel? Food? Tell us everything.
We'll see you in the next episode. Keep going. Your English is growing every single day.
Bye for now, everyone.